The story of running water. A long time ago, in South America, the fox was the only animal who knew where the water was hidden. He kept it secret from all the other animals in the forest. "No one shall know where the water is. It's mine, and mine alone. I shall guard it so that no one else can have it." The other animals had nothing to drink but honey. They were always thirsty. We are slow and sluggish because we need to conserve our water. But we are so very thirsty. One day we shall just stop moving altogether. We are all stinky and dirty. There are too many fleas for us to pick. We need a shower. Where's the water? I shall not tell you where the water is. Never! Look, we're all dry and scaly because we're always so thirsty. Meat doesn't taste half as good without water. Tell us where the water is, or we'll gobble you up. Then you shall never know where the water is. I will never tell you where the waters are. Never! Please tell us where the water is. We are tired of drinking honey. We are all so thirsty. No! I shall not tell any of you where the waters are. Never! Never will I let you know. Greed is such a vicious thing. It burns your heart until it stings. If you would be more thoughtful, your world will look more colorful. One day, the fox went into the forest by himself. He thought that no one had seen him. But the birds saw him with their sharp little eyes. "Look, it's the fox! I'm sure he's going to where the water is. Let's follow him." They followed the fox secretly as he went deeper and deeper into the forest. At last, the fox came to a clearing in the forest. He climbed up some rocks, and there at the top was the hidden pool of water. Lakes and rivers, seas and streams, we are nature's gift to all living beings. We are here to satisfy man's needs. The birds watched quietly. First, the fox had a drink. Next, he took a bath. The birds then jumped into the water, startling the fox. "Wait! Wait! Who are you? How did you find my water?" The birds ignored him and simply splashed around in the water. "Stop splashing! Stop splashing! All the water will escape!" The birds started flapping their wings while splashing around in the pool. They flapped so hard that water began to trickle out of the pool. "Stop! Stop! The water is escaping! My water is escaping!" The fox reached out and tried to stop the water from trickling out. But with every desperate attempt, more water flowed out. You can't stop the force or nature taking its course. We are silent givers. We never take. So stop being selfish for humanity's sake. The water in the pool flowed out and filled the rivers and streams. From that day on, the animals were never thirsty. They can drink and bathe in the water whenever they like. And that was how rivers and streams were formed.